Hi, in this video we will see how to use union feature. I have two shapefiles, one shapefile representing Maharashtra state, another shapefile representing Godavari basin outer boundary. Now I want to create a shapefile by combining these two shapefiles. So I need a output shapefile which has components from both the shapefiles, from Maharashtra as well as the Godavari basin boundary. So I will use union as a tool. So what union does, it combines all the shape files, and while combining it has three distinct types of features. Feature belonging to Maharashtra state, which is not part of overlapping region. Features belonging to Godavari basin, which is not part of the overlapping region, and features belonging to both the overlapping region of both the part. Let's see how it works. Vector geoprocessing tool, I will go to union. I will choose a first input layer as Maharashtra, and then I will choose second input layer as Godavari. Then I can go for the saving the features, but for every feature there is a description over here. You can also go through the description, which also explains what is the function, what union does, or in this case. So I will give a location, and I will say run. Okay, so it has completed the process. So now I have this union output of union, which has combined both the uh, shape files. Now let's see how its attribute table look like. So this is how its attribute table is looking like. So it has three distinct features. In original shapefiles there were two features, Maharashtra and Godavari. Now it has three features. So first is the component from the base Godavari basin which is not overlapped. So over here you can see, in case of column, it has a combined column from both the shapefiles. So you can see the column as a state name, which specifically belongs to the Maharashtra shapefile, and another remaining columns which belongs to Godavari basin. So in this case, for this region there is no data from the Maharashtra state, so therefore you see null over here. So this is a empty cell. In case of Maharashtra, which is not part of Godavari basin, so it has a value of state name as Maharashtra, but since this is not part of Godavari basin, it doesn't have these values, because the original table of Godavari basin doesn't have values for this column. And this is the overlapping region, which has values from both, from the Maharashtra state as well as from the Godavari basin, because it is a overlapped area. So in this video we have learned how to use a union feature and how its attribute table looks like. Thank you.